Hi everyone, I'm Chris. Welcome to the sample room of KUKA Cable. Behind me are various types and specifications of cables, including solar cable, mid-joule voltage cable, as well as solar connectors and multiple accessories. These products will be used in the line of PV system. Our PV business center focuses on the cables and accessories required for the power transmission in PV system. Here we show a 200-meter roll of solar cable, which complies with the EN 50618 standard, comply with TUV certification. We have sold it to 120 countries, covering the whole in European countries, including Germany, so you don't need to be worried about the quality. Solar branch connectors are frequently used accessories such as MC4 connector, T branch, and Y branch, and so on. Usually, the solar connector and solar cable will be purchased at the same time. In PV power plants, medium and high voltage cables are usually used between inverters, transformers, and combiner boxes. We will also provide customers with cost-effective suggestions and solutions. In distributed PV system, microinverters have gradually become the mainstream choice, and we also provide cables and connectors for matching. In short, as long as you need to lay solar project, KUKA Cable will be one of your choice.